Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating your browser and signing into Google so settings can sync across devices. Once done, open Google, Com or the Google app. Navigate to Settings on the Search Results page. You now pick Appearance or Theme. This is the first actionable control. Choose Dark to apply the site theme immediately. Doing this here changes only searches look without altering all sites. It's quick and reversible, and it reduces glare while you check the next steps to ensure system-wide consistency. Once search is set, make the experience consistent across devices by matching system themes. On desktop, use Chrome's appearance settings or let Chrome follow your OS theme so search respects dark mode automatically. On Android and iOS, open the Google app, go to Settings, General, then Theme and select Dark or Device Default. If a native option is missing, enable Force Dark via experimental flags or a reputable extension as a fallback. Just be careful, because those can alter colors unexpectedly on some pages. To finish, reload Google and restart your browser or app so the dark theme applies everywhere. Check incognito or private windows too. If search still appears light, clear cache and cookies, then disable extensions one by one, because an extension can override site themes. Make sure your browser and OS are updated. If problems persist, reset the Google app or reinstall the browser. Troubleshooting tip: if dark mode flips back to light, disable theme forcing flags and test with extensions off. That usually reveals the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.